all we can do now. Come down and we can wait it out together.
What are you doing, Zip?
I'm practicing my running. I'm getting really fast. Watch this.
Whoa, I think you broke the sound barrier.
That was thunder.
Well, if that was a storm, why is it so quiet now?
Yeah, why is it so quiet now? I think the storm has passed. Oh no. Our home. I can't believe it.
Our home.
It's destroyed.
Oh no! Perry's egg! It's okay, little one. Has you. Harmony Hollow isn't destroyed yet. It can't be. It's our home. And home to the animals and our friends. We need to do something.
You're right, Hum. Harmony Hollow needs our help, so let's help.
Let's get to work.
Right! I'm gonna go see if everyone else is okay.
Well, there's a lot to clean up. Let's get to it.
I need to get this egg back to Perry's nest.
Sprouts, what if we work together? Sprouts?
Oh no, it's flooded! Flip! Flip, over here!
Zip, I need help.
I'm coming, Flip.
No, Zip, it's too dangerous. Need a hand, Hum?
No thanks, Aria. I've got this. You'll be safe in here, Eggy. Now let's get you home. Whoa. Ah! How does Zip make this look so easy?
All right, Riff, put me to work. No time, Aria, too much to do. Come on, Riff, you've got this.
Grab the branch!
It's not long enough. Flip. Hey, Flop.
Okay, it's not working. We need something bigger. Much bigger. Flop, come with me.
Back soon, Flip. Righto, I'll be here.
This is it.
It's perfect. What is it?
It's a fallen tree. We can use it as a bridge to save Flip.
Right idea, Zip.
Zip.
Oh, tree?
No, that's Fret. Fret.
Oh, yeah, a tree would sound more like, oh, yeah, good day there. I'm a tree. I'm a pretty big tree.
Okay, we need to get this tree down to the meadow and push it out to Flip.
Well, we better be leafing then. Leafing? Flip is in danger. Right, yes, of course.
Grab a branch. Let's do this. On 3. 1.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
2.
No! No!
3.
Ah! Everybody stop! Hum?
Aria, Flip needs us and the tree won't budge. Nothing is working. What is happening?
We can't always fix everything by ourselves, Zip. Some problems are just too big to solve alone. This is a problem that needs everybody.
Everybody?
Everybody. Flip and Harmony Hollow need our help. And this is the only way we can fix it.
You're right, Aria. This is gonna take everyone. Every grow and every glow has led to this moment. And together, it's time to shine. Sprouts!
From the smallest little flower to a tall and mighty tree, from the tiniest of ocean waves to the whole entire sea, they work in harmony and so can we. Say unity lets us live in peace and harmony. 'Cause when unity becomes our light, with its power shining big and bright, oh, it will guide us through the days and darkest nights. 'Cause we love each other all the same, with unity as our aim. We'll work together and everything will be alright if we unite. If we unite.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Yeah, I lifted a tree.
You sure did, Hum. We all did. We saved our beautiful home. And me, Flip.
When we grow, what is it?
Zip.
Nah, just kidding.
We glow.
Hey friend, I'm Francis, and I'm so excited to sing this song with you. From the smallest little flower to a tall and mighty tree, from the tiniest of ocean waves to the whole entire sea, from the cold, cold winter snow to the gentle summer breeze, they work in harmony and so can we. I say unity makes the world a better place to be. I say unity lets us live in peace and harmony. 'Cause when unity becomes our light, with its power shining big and bright, oh, it will guide us through the days and darkest nights. 'Cause we'll love each other all the same, with unity as our aim. We'll work together and everything will be alright if we unite. If we unite. If we unite. If we unite. Our rainbow is the brightest if every color shines through. And tall trees only stand up strong if they've got big deep roots. In the garden of our hearts, we plant the seeds of love. We can build the world we're dreaming of. I say unity makes the world a better place to be. Say unity lets us live in peace and harmony. 'Cause when unity becomes our light, with its power shining big and bright, oh, it will guide us through the days and darkest nights. 'Cause we love each other all the same, with unity as our aim. We'll work together and everything will be alright if we unite. If we unite. If we unite. If we unite. Thanks for singing with me.